Hey, today I thought I would share a little about how I write my prompts. This is definitely not a definitive method, and I am sure you'll have your own opinions, but hopefully my method might give you a few ideas. So generally, I like to keep things simple. I see some people use very detailed, almost story-like descriptions, but I tend to be a bit more technical. Things like, the atmosphere is calm and inviting, capturing a moment of quiet reflection, will not add much and won't be interpreted by AI the same way a human would understand it. I usually divide my prompt into two parts. Part 1 is a general overview of the style and technical aspects of my desired image, and Part 2 is specifics about what I want in terms of subject and theme. I divide it like this so I can easily tweak and update the prompt, as there is often a fair bit of editing whether you're trying to get a specific result or are trying to create several images as a series. Usually the first part of my prompt that focuses on the overall theme is something that will stay the same and can often be copied and pasted through many different prompts. Keeping in mind, I want to keep things simple. This part of the prompt is usually a simple list of film or photography techniques. As mentioned in my lighting tutorial video, using technical terms from film and photography is a quick way to set a tone. Include information on your framing, for example close-up or wide shot. Describe your lighting. Is the image grayscale or colour? Do you want a specific camera lens or analogue film effect? Set the time of day and list any effects such as depth of field or bokeh. Just make sure these are all general terms that could be applied to almost any situation or scene. The second part of the prompt is going to describe what you want your image to be about. Deepmode has a focus on a model, so this is usually man or woman. These are the trigger words for Deepmode specifically and need to be included. I then like to describe my model's hairstyle and if they have any specific style of makeup. Following that, I list clothing items, describe a pose, and then the location. This is the part where being more literal and using basic language is going to help a lot. Currently, Deepmode's prompt adherence is limited, and getting overly descriptive or very specific is going to complicate things. Keeping all of this in mind, let's build a prompt. So we start with our style settings. I'd like a close-up photo with depth of field and cinematic lighting. Next, I want a woman wearing a green t-shirt, black bob haircut, sitting in a bedroom. This is a good base to work from, and from here you can choose to change hairstyle or the colour of the clothes. And you can do this either using Remix or by generating a new image. The main advantage of prompting in this way is that usually the things you are more likely to edit or tweak are all listed clearly in the second section, and adding new things or adjusting colours, etc. is a little more clear. So that's about it for now. I hope you have found some of this useful, and I'll see you next time. Remember to follow me and Deepmode on your favourite social platform for more tips and fun stuff coming soon.